Hey everyone, in today's video, we are diving into the essential vitamins and minerals women need for optimal health and energy. So let's get right to it. First up is iron. Many women, especially those of childbearing age, can be low in iron. It's crucial for energy production and healthy blood. Next is calcium. It helps maintain strong bones and support muscle function. Don't forget your dairy, almonds and leafy greens that are rich in calcium. The next one is vitamin D. It's key for calcium absorption and overall mood. Try getting sunlight or a good vitamin D supplement. Now we have magnesium, a stress buster. It helps with muscle relaxation, better sleep, better memory and boosting energy. And for the immune support and glowing skin, vitamin C is essential. Citrus foods, bell pepper and strawberries are packed with vitamin C. Next one is B vitamin, especially B12 and B6. Helps keeps your metabolism running smoothly and your energy level high. Other vitamins to consider are omegas that are high in EPA for inflammation, turmeric for your general inflammation and feeling bloated. Remember, the balance is the key. Nutritional rich diet or high quality multivitamin can make sure that you are covered. If you found this video helpful, hit this like button and subscribe for more health tips.